In this video, we will learn about classification. So first of all, what is classification? So classification basically means that we have a ton of living organisms with us. Now, if we study them individually, that would be a very tedious task. So we classify them based on some similarities and dissimilarities. So this system of grouping of living organism on the basis of similarities and dissimilarities is called classification. And the branch of biology which is concerned with the classification of organism is taxonomy. Now, what are the purposes of classification? So first of all, classification makes the study of a wide variety of living organism easier. Second is classification help in understanding the phylogeny and evolutionary history of organism, which means that in evolution chapter you will study that fishes, some evolve into reptiles, reptiles like snakes and everything, and these reptiles then evolve into different things. So if we know a particular fish and a complete reptile, then we can make the similarities. So for that also we need classification. Now it also provides the knowledge about the origin and genetic relationship among living beings. Okay, like ours, that is humans and apes. Okay, so this was established after we classified all the living organisms, right? Now classification supplies vital information needed for all branch of biology. Now the categories in classification. Now we have categorized the classification in 7 specific categories, which are kingdom, phylum, or I can say division for plants, then class, then order, then family, then genus, and then lastly species. Okay. Now for this we have to learn this. So there's a mnemonic for it. Keep, plate, clean, or family, get, sick. So this is how you can remember this. Okay. Now for studying diversity in living organisms, they are grouped according to the increasing similarities from the less complex to more complex forms. There are total 7 categories. Okay. Now each of these category, which is from species to kingdom, each one category is known as taxa or taxon. Okay. Taxa is the plural, taxon is the singular. The hierarchy of this is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum or division. Now, kingdom. For animal, we use phylum word, and for plants, we use division word. Okay. Now, first of all, species. So it is the unit of classification or the basic unit of classification. It is a group of individuals which can breed among themselves and produce fertile offsprings. Individual of a particular species differ from individuals of other species. Like species of human is different from species of apes, is different from species of dog or cat. Okay, all these are different with each other. Okay, now for example, different races of dog belong to the same species, though they may differ in color, height, length of the tail, but they can interbreed. Okay, similarly, all human belongs to a single species, which is Homo sapiens, though with differences in their body color, build up, hair, and even eye color. Now the second category or taxon or taxa we will study is genus, or I can say plural, which is genera or genera, depends on your pronunciation. So it is a group of closely related species. Okay. Now you can see that there are two type of crow, one which is found in our houses and another which is found in jungle. They are different, like they have different feature like the size, color, beak, etc. are different, and these two species cannot interbreed with each other. As you can see in the picture as well, the clear difference, yet they both are known as crow and they belong to the same genera, that is crowus. Third is family. So it is a group of common genera, which means that two or three genus group together on some common characteristic to form a family. For example, lion and tiger comes under the genus Panthera, and the cat comes under the genus Felis, which is the genus for domestic cat. They both share the common characteristic and they're placed under a common family, which is Felidae. Now the next is order. So when a group of related families, they constitute a higher taxonomic category, which is order. Now for example, tiger and wolf belong to different families, which is Felidae and Canidae. Okay, but they're placed under the same order, which is Carnivora. Okay, now they both possess powerful incisors and large and sharp canines adapted for flesh eating. So this is the common feature to put them under carnivora order. Next is class. So closely related orders comes under the same class. Okay. Now, on the basis of the presence of mammary gland, hairy skin, external ears, man, monkey, cat, dog all come under the same class, which is Mammalia. Next is phylum or division. So phylum, plural, which is phyla, or division, constitutes a large number of category of classification of animals and plants. So phylum is what we use for animal classification and division is what we use for plant classification. Okay, it includes related classes. For example, animals like fishes, frogs, reptiles, birds, mammals, all come under a same phylum. Okay, and they belong to different classes, but they're placed in the phylum Chordata. Okay, now kingdom. So it is a topmost category of a living organism. Now, in all, we have five kingdoms, which are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Now, we will study each of them separately. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.